Many of you asked me how to optimize Facebook ads properly to get the lowest CPR. So I will show you one of my last ad campaigns and you can follow whatever I did. So this is my desktop screen. I'm going to show you all of the optimization settings I did. You just have to copy and apply them to your campaigns. In audience targeting, I targeted smartwatch interested persons. Because I am selling smartwatch, you can choose yours. But make sure to put engaged shopper zone. Define further for more optimization. Select the placement that I choose for better optimization. In the ad section, put your content and write your high engaging primary text. But if you don't know how to write high engaging primary text, then inbox me for help or take some ideas from this. After this, almost everything is done now. Description is optional and give your website URL in the final destination and you are ready to publish it. So make sure to like the video and follow for more digital marketing knowledge.